Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I want to show you how to create AI thumbnails on ChatGPT. AI thumbnails, we would have never thought. It is exactly how it sounds, right? So once you're on a ChatGPT, I'm going to put a link description below of the actual program. So when you're in here, you can ask it to make you a thumbnail. And I'm going to show you my social media, just what I've been working on here and how it's been making me thumbnails. So, yeah, wait, what? Why? Wait, hold on one second. I had a whole library. All right. So anyway, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to make a new chat, right? Make a new chat and say, hey, say this. Hey, I am working on thumbnails like before, and I want to create one for this video. Okay. And this video is called How to Create AI Thumbnails using ChatGPT. Please can you do that for YouTube? Okay, so here we go. Now this is it. This is the start. This is the start of it. You know what I'm saying? So heck yeah, Aqua. Let's make that thumbnail AI magic free. Okay, how to create AI thumbnails using ChatGPT. Okay, bet. Why this works? Check it out. Use the tips. Okay, yes. Okay, can you create this for me now? Okay, so it's gonna create it now. There we go. All right. Booyah! I'm in the hizzy. You know what I'm saying? This is how you create AI thumbnails, and this is just with ChatGPT. I'm talking just ChatGPT because, well, I'm a high advocate for ChatGPT, and this is the main one that I'm using. Can you use it for Copilot? Can you use it on Gemini? Can you use it on Grok? Can you use it on any other AI model? I'm sure. You know what I'm saying? Sure enough, I'm just trying to give you the guidelines, kind of the template of how to get this started. I'm going to put that same prompt on my description as well, just so you can see how it rolls. And I'm telling you, a lot of my thumbnails, while this is loading, a lot of my thumbnails I already kind of did with ChatGPT already. And I'm going to show you right here. Oops, I'm going to show you right here. So as you can see, I have different thumbnails. You know what I'm saying? This one right here, ChatGPT. Let me go back. This one right here, ChatGPT. You know what I'm saying? I use what I show for y'all. You know what I'm saying? Techies, y'all are legendary. How to install Streamio VR. Boom, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do the other ones, but how to use Discord on medical state. This one right here was dope. They just got the John from freaking Mulan on here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. I can't do it. I can't do it. No. So, but this is amazing thumbnails. You know what I'm saying? So let's go back to ChatGPT and see what they made for us. Oh my God. Oh my God. How to create an AI thumbnail using ChatGPT generate thumbnails with ChatGPT. Guess what, baby? We saving that right now. We just downloaded that into our downloads folder. Download, save it right now. Save it. You know what, techies? Hey, you get on your grind right now and go ahead. That's all it is, man. Let's get it. Let's go. If you want to know how to do everything in this world, come to your boy Aqua. You already know what it is. Let's get it.